Hi guys, in this video I will show you best free logo maker website. What you need to do, just go to Google and type logo maker the host, and this one, the host logo maker. Just click it. Okay, and then click I'm human. Okay, you need to verify it here. Okay, here is a bicycle, and next. Here you go. Now when you want to start, you can just start from scratch and then just click new and then click yes, and then we can start from here. Add symbol, and then just you can choose which category you want. For example, here you have animal, bar and pub, business, casino, cinema, etc, etc. Okay, for example, if I choose here food and drinks, okay, let me choose this one for example. Okay, now I can move it, I can resize it. Okay, and here you can change the color. For example, if I choose this color here, and you can resize it here as well. And then if I want to add text, just click here and just you can write, for example, okay, food, and here just you can move it, you can resize it, you can turn it here, you can bold it here, and here is the color if you want to change the color. Okay, let me choose, for example, here is the color. And when you are satisfied with the logo, just click save and download, and then just you type here your email and then click save and continue, and then they will email you. This is what you need to do if you want to make a free logo. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.